Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve purchases on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on YouTube app, you will click on settings. You will enter here. In the first page, you will find apps and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching. Goodbye.